What's up, money growers? Jacob back here with another video, and you guys know today, just like we did yesterday, this will be the final video though of the newest Navy Federal promotions they're running. Right, this new credit card offer they're running, which for so far, as you guys have said in the other videos, it's been a bit underwhelming. So I know like Daniel, BJ, who else? Corey. I know a lot of you guys who I think. Taylor said the same thing. Just been underwhelmed, just kind of like I have been with these offers from Navy Federal lately. So, hey guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel anyway, okay? Please subscribe to the channel because we got a lot more stuff to talk about. So, whether it's Navy Federal or other stuff you can do in the world of credit, finance, with other credit unions, other banks, things like that. But right now, Navy Federal just made this change, so I do want to give this some attention. We'll have other stuff that we'll be talking about here very soon. So, let's talk about the cash rewards, okay? This is definitely one of the more popular credit cards that they have with Navy Federal. So we'll go here. So if you guys are brand new, you're just going to search Navy Federal credit cards. It's going to come right here, military credit cards. And yes, you can join if you're not in the military. I've talked about that ad nauseum. There we go. I'll use that phrase. In numerous other videos, how you can join without being in the military. It's on the website too. So if you just search Navy Federal eligibility, you'll find it. So what they used to have on here, and actually speaking of cash rewards, what they were pushing in the previous promo was the cash rewards card. When you came to the site here, the homepage for the credit card site, it was like, bam, first thing was the cash rewards card. They were pushing the whole 1.75% cash back that you could get with the card. So that was like the thing they were pushing the most actually was the cash back on the cash rewards card. So the cash rewards card is definitely one of their more popular. It's up there with, I would say, the more rewards and probably the flagship is their most popular. But as you come down here, these are the three categories their cards oftentimes fit into. So building credit is going to be your nRewards if you're building or rebuilding credit. They really don't do promos on that. Their card pretty much never changes. Low rate card is the Platinum. That's really just a balance transfer card. And that they never really changes promos either. Like the promos on it will expire, but when they renew, it's always the same one from what I've seen. So usually that's really all that card is for. And the rewards card, this is where they have several of them. So they've got cash back rewards. They got different points you can get. You know, things like the flagship card is a bit more geared towards travel. The more rewards is more of your everyday spending card. So I'd say 4 of the 6 cards they have are more rewards based versus low rates and rebuilding credit or building credit. Now, they do have their pre-qualification tool here, and I would recommend you do use this before you go and apply. I use this before I applied for the flagship card. You're going to put in some basic info about yourself. You are going to put in stated income, and then it will also ask what your monthly expenses are. Do you own or rent? What's your monthly expense for that? Just, if you have a mortgage or if you rent. And then you pre-qualify, and it'll tell you which cards, if any, that you pre-qualify for. And just because you pre-qualify, understand it's not a guarantee that you will be approved for the card if you apply for it. So pre-qualify is a soft pull. Like it says, it won't affect your credit score. And when you apply, it's going to be a hard pull, usually TransUnion. I've heard Equifax, sometimes, but I don't know that anyone has ever put that. I heard Equifax from their reps. I don't know if I've ever had anyone put it in a data point or in the comments section that they got Equifax pulled for credit card application. So a lot of the stuff they offer in their cards, right? The 24/7 access to the member reps, fraud notification. Their interest rates, you're going to see the APR. Let's get rid of that. The AP. Okay, let's come back down. Navy Federal, what are we doing here? Okay, so the APR is oftentimes lower than many other credit unions and definitely lower than you're going to see at lots of banks. So that is one of the bigger benefits too, is the APR is usually much lower with Navy Federal than other institutions. Now, this is what we're going to be focusing on today, the cash rewards card. This is at the top of this list here. The cash rewards with the Platinum, the Go Rewards, the Signature, the Visa Signature Flagship, the More Rewards, and the nRewards. So talking about this, we'll be looking at the cash rewards today. So they're still putting this 1.75% cash back on all purchases that you can redeem as soon as you earn. Now, this is part of it that has changed out here, the bonus cash back and balance transfer offer. This is different than before, and we're going to compare it to the previous offer they were running before this. So you're looking at 9.65 to 18%. They don't go over 18% interest on their or APR on their credit card. So all of them except for one have an annual fee of $0. So the only one that has annual fee is the flagship card. It's $49. All the others' annual fee is $0. Now we go to the details here and see what we're looking at. Right here, there we go. This card is best for getting cash back, everyday spending. You only need average credits. So average to excellence to qualify for this card. So even with average credit, you can actually qualify with this. So they have the pre-qualification tool. And then we'll actually see this on the next page when we go to view offer details. Here we go. So now here's what they're offering, okay, with all of this. So you guys see the fact that but they actually changed this. They actually did change this deal up, okay? It says get our cash rewards card and you earn $150 bonus cash when you spend $1,000 within 90 days of account opening. This has been lowered, okay? You can also save on interest with 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 6 months. After that, variable APR between 9.65 and 18%, so the normal rate that they have. This has been a common theme with several of their offers this time around. 0% intro APR or 1.99% on several cards. Like they've reduced the amount you can earn in bonus cash, and they keep doing this 0% or just low APR for 6 months, 12 months, right? Purchases, balance transfers, which I don't think that appeals to as many people. Again, I'm someone, I mean, I've said this numerous times. I like the bonus cash. This is what I like. I like these sign-up bonuses and that kind of thing. So I'm not real huge on 0% or 1.99% intro APR for 6 months, 9 months, a year, whatever the case is. So, but that's what they're doing right now. Is that's what they're offering with this. So, and then you have the 1.75% cash back that you get when you enroll in direct deposit. So without that, you're going to still earn 1.5%, so it's still pretty competitive. But this expires February 28th. That's another thing that's interesting with these offers this time around is in the past, like over the summer and into the fall, their offers were kind of stagger when they would expire. Now they had all of these offers expire January 3rd, and the offers are usually typically, I'd say, about 2 to 3 months long. But this time around, these promos are not even going to be 2 months. January 3rd to February 28th. Not even till, well, actually January 4th. Was when they put these up. So not even 2 full months, they're going to be running this round of offers. So, and the last round wasn't that great either, I would say. So this round isn't, I would say, that awesome either. So maybe they'll be putting out something good in March. We'll see. But this is what it comes with, what they're talking about, the 1.75% cash back that you get. And you can redeem your rewards as soon as you earn them. We'll come up here and compare this to last time. Here's what they're offering. So this is when it expired on January 3rd. So this is the old one, the 1.75 and the 1.5% cash back. But they give you a $250 bonus cash back for spending $2,500 in 90 days. And that's pretty common with them, is if you spend, you know, whatever the amount you spend, usually it's 10% of that. Not always. Sometimes it's a little better, sometimes a little worse. Like when I got the Flagship, I know like when BJ City got the Flagship, it was you spent $3,000 and you got $400 cash back. So that was, you know, better than 10%. I think one of the cards right now, I think it's the Go Rewards. You spend $2,500 and you get $200 back, something like that. Or you spend $3,000 on one of them and you get $250 back. It's a little less than 10%, but generally it's going to be in this ballpark right here. So this, they basically took this away. They took away the $250, reduced it down to the $150 if you spend $1,000. Now again, this is actually better than 10% because you're spending $1,000. You'd normally think it'd only be $100 because it's 10% what they commonly do. So in terms of a percentage, it's better, but in terms of what you're getting overall, it's not. I mean, I think for most people, $2,500 within 3 months to spend is pretty doable. So I'd rather have that and get $250 back than, you know, this $1,000 to get $150, especially, and we have to use a hard inquiry for it. So I don't know. I don't think this is an amazing offer. You said most of what they've been doing this round doesn't seem to it doesn't excite me a whole lot. Most people in the comments don't seem to be too thrilled with it either. So maybe March will have something different. Maybe at the end of February they'll put something out that's better. Because last round they just took stuff away. They didn't add anything. They just took a bunch of things away. This time they've reduced some things, added some things, but they've been pushing the whole 0% or low intro APR on different things for 6 months, 12 months, for purchases, balance transfers. That's what they've been pushing a lot this time around. So again, I don't think it's as appealing, but tell me what you guys think down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say about this. Maybe we'll have to see this next round, see what they do if they put something out that's even better. So until next time, thanks for watching, guys, and keep growing your money.